Hi viewers, I am Bethany from Facts Factory. In this video, we are gonna see a news about MiG-21 military jet crashes near Serbia's border with Bosnia. A Serbian army jet crashed Friday in western Serbia near the country's border with Bosnia, the defense minister said. The ministry said the MiG-21 plane was on a regular flying mission and that a search and rescue team has been sent to the scene of the 9 a.m. crash near the village of Bosnia. Local media are reporting that the plane crashed into the yard of a house in a village. Serbian state broadcaster RTS reported that one of the pilots died and a villager was injured. No other details were immediately available.